Hello everyone, my name is Nhat Tri and I am going to read a book called Life in Coral Reef. As morning sunbeams stream down to the water, clear blue-green water is a coral reef built on limestone where tiny sea animals become a magical place. Coral reefs overflow the underwater life. More sea creatures find food, shelter, and coral reef than in other ocean habitat. The Great Barrier Reef, with over wonder of coast Australia, is more than 1,200 miles long and the distance from Maine to Florida. The largest coral reef in the world, it began forming millions of years ago. It is hard to believe that coral reefs, large or small, and they built by tiny sea animals called coral polyps, each the size of a grain of rice. It's in clear, shallow ocean water warmed by the sun. These tiny tube-shaped coral animals attach themselves to skeleton of dead coral polyps. Layer upon the layer of old coral polyps or beauty coral reef. Other animals keep the reef dirty. Sea cucumbers spit the sand and cannot eat, which fill the crack in the crevices in the reef. This makes the reef stronger, so where action doesn't tumble and crumble. Two kinds of the coral reef animal hard coral polyps and soft coral polyps leaf columns on the reefs. Hard corals look like boulders, pillars, cactus, elk horn, or even brains. Soft corals look like fans, fingers, flowers, bit of love lace, or multicus, swaying we sea feathers. Hard corals, reef built in soft coral reef or reef texture. Their rainbow colors give its beauty. In this coral kingdom, with stones, towers, and turrets, and some creatures eat one another, and some help each other, and small guppies help the other fishes clean and healthy. A grouper allowed the guppy to remove parasites from its mouth. Parasite can make fish sick. The guppy moves over the spotted moray eel and eats its dead skin. A clownfish huddles in the pink-tipped poisonous tentacle in the sea anonymous. It's because the clownfish is immune to poison. It has a safe place to stay. It returns to the clownfish kept by anonymous clean eating its waste. Not all reef creatures help each other. Predators that eat sea animals swim by looking for food. Many reef creatures must protect themselves. Many tiny bubblefish swim by its predators. A ruffle-head scorpion fish pulls the puffer fish in the mouth. Quickly, the puffer inflates. The scorpion fish can swallow the puffer, so it's fight out. Many reef creatures also use camouflage as protection from its predators. And a decorator crab leaves its safe hiding place. It snips a bit of sponge and attach themselves in the cell to camouflage. And the crabs get hungry. It eats a bit of food that collect on the surface of the sponge. The four-eyed butterfly fish confused the predators with false eye spot on its tail. Its enemy don't know which was the butterfly fish headed. At sunset, the reef blue-green sea looked gray. The reef day creatures seek in a safe place at height as barracudas, snappers, and sharks cruise the sea reef at night. In the early evening, how about a week after full moon in late spring, coral polyps release pink eggs and sperm bundles to the water. They look like underwater flurries of cherry blossom. Later, tiny larvae hatch, float there for 7 days, settle on hard surface, then mature in adult curved polyps. Curved polyps can also reproduce and enlarge reef by building. Coral bugs grow on coral polyps. It's as branches grow on trees. Around midnight, the reef is filled with darkness as we covered with a black blanket. But the reef just alive at night and during the day. Coral polyps tentacle reach out, snatch, scoop plankton, and sweep them into coral polyp's mouth. A plankton fish with light pouches under its eye attract the zooplankton that it eats. Flaps its skin like the flashlight in the pink blink. Its light off and off. The light reflects an orange cup coral that bursts with the coral as it's blue at night. The ring eel stalk fish in the dark sea using the sense of smell and slip the parrotfish in deep sea. Why? Coral reefs liquid ooze from the parrotfish body and covered like plastic wrap. The eel can smell the parrotfish, so it glides right by. A spiny lobster reach in a sunny bottom for clams, mussel, and sail and starfish. After hunting all night and by smelling, touching, the octopus returned to its cave first light. The coral polyps withdraw the tentacles as new day began its reef. Primer about coral reef. Fun fact: although coral reef cover less than 1% of Earth's surface, they are home to 25% of all marine fish species. 500 million people rely on coral reef for food and job. Without the coralline structure that support them, parts of Florida wouldn't be underwater. Organized with the United States and found the coral reef an environment that has been used to help treat many diseases, including cancer, HIV, includer, and cardiovascular disease. Coral reef generate an instant $375 billion per year around the world in goods and service. This is the end of the book, and now I know how the fish live in the coral reef and how the coral reef grow. Bye bye.